One question I get asked all the time is, how do you tell the difference between all the different types of films that we use, whether it's LDPE film or HDPE film or polypropylene film, PET film? And today I want to quickly show you the difference between LDPE film and HDPE film. So behind me here I've got some color bales of LDPE film, and then if I just sneak down here as well, I've also got some LDPE film. So this is the shrink wrap and the pallet wrap that comes off pallets in the freight industry. Let's jump back over here, because what I want to show you is one really quick way that you can tell the difference between LDPE film and HDPE film by just the sound. So if I get this up close enough, hopefully you can hear this. So here's LDPE film when it scrunches. And then just down here I've got this piece of HDPE film. Now often HDPE film is opaque in colour, and if I get close enough you'll hear this scrunches a lot louder than the LDPE film. It's one really quick way that you can tell the difference between LDPE film and HDPE film. Hope this has helped you. Peace out.